In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Breville Joule Sous Vide to the app with an easy setup guide. Controlling your Joule through the app makes cooking precise and simple. First, plug in your Breville Joule Sous Vide and turn it on. Next, download and open the Joule app on your smartphone. Sign up or log in if you already have an account. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the Joule connects only to this frequency. In the app, tap the plus icon or add device to start pairing. Follow the app instructions to put your Joule into pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding the power button until the light starts blinking. Select your Joule from the device list in the app, then enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait a moment while the app connects to your Joule Sous Vide. Once connected, you can control temperature, set timers, and access recipes right from your phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart kitchen tutorials.